So, dear students, so next we have the new chapter surface chemistry. So, in surface chemistry, so anything which can be surface of the substance or molecules which occupy the space is known as surface of the chemistry. So, any atom or molecule can be occupying their space on the any type of the substance. So, it depends upon the principle of adsorption and absorption. So adsorption means the accumulation of molecular space at the surface rather than in the bulk of a solid or liquid. In terms it's called adsorption. So means the any molecule can species at the surface can be occupied by the molecule or atom or ions, so that will called as adsorption. So here in adsorption there is a two terms, adsorbate and adsorbent. Adsorbate means that a substance which accumulates at the surface in terms is called adsorbate, means the anything which can be accumulate at the surface of the molecule or substance is called adsorbate. In second one is adsorbent, a substance on the surface of which the absorption occurs, means it enters to the any molecule inside, means absorption occurs is called adsorbent. For example, charcoal is an adsorbent on which chlorine, hydrogen, oxygen, ammonia or sulfur dioxide get absorbed. Otherwise, silica gel is an adsorbent on which moisture gets absorbed. Third one, animal charcoal absorbs coloring matter from solution of raw sugar. So these are the good example for adsorbent. So here what is the difference between adsorption and absorption? So the substance is concentrated only at the surface of the adsorbent is called adsorption, means it depending upon the only the surface of adsorbent is called adsorption. Then absorption, the substance is uniformly distributed throughout the bulk of the solid is called absorption, means it will be the enter inside the molecule. Then adsorption, it is the rapid in the beginning and slow down near the equilibrium. So it is beginning, it is very fast in process, then after that it will become slow down. Absorption, it occurs at a uniform rate, there is no change in the process, it will always in constant or uniform of rate. For example, silica gel absorb water vapors is a absorption. Adsorption, anhydrous calcium chloride absorb water vapors, that is absorption. So here we have the difference in the adsorption and absorption. If both the adsorption and absorption takes place simultaneously, that is called sorption. So here the process of adsorption and absorption can take place uniformly in once in a condition is called sorption. For example, chalk stick is dipped in ink, the surface retains the color of the ink due to the adsorption, while the solvent of the ink goes deeper into the stick due to the absorption, means adsorption and absorption process can take place uniformly in the chalk dipped in a ink, so that is called sorption. Then opposite of that sorption is desorption, the process of removing an adsorbed substance from the surface of the adsorbent is called desorption. So here desorption means the removing of adsorbed substance is known as desorptions. Okay, then next we have the mechanism of adsorption. So in mechanism of adsorption is due to the surface of the adsorbent process, so it become a unbalanced or residual attractive force is in the adsorption. So they having some facts which helps to the increasing the surface area of the adsorption. And adsorption is an exothermic process, that is delta H is equal to negative. Exothermic means it releasing the energy. Then after adsorption, entropy of the gas decreases, so means the energy is also decreases after adsorption. Then adsorption is the accompanied by decreasing in enthalpy as well as entropy of the system. So after completing the adsorption process, so it becomes completely decreases the process of enthalpy as well as entropy, means energy formation and energy absorption process is also decreases. So this is about the introduction of adsorption, absorption and mechanism of adsorption.